You're in the middle of a big French city and you need to go to that place. But don't worry, there's a simple solution. You can ask all the people around you. And I tell you how. I'm Thomas and I teach French, so let's get into it. You want to say we are going. So you need to say go as a first step. The easiest way of saying go is va. It's the same va as in invaders or invaders, with the A pronounced a. Invaders go from one place to another. And we in spoken French is on. So we are going is on va. And believe me, that's really important to know to go in French, because it allows you to say many other things than simply to go. Like, how are you doing? It also gives you a way of talking about the future. And it really looks like to have, which then allows you to talk about the past. To go really opens many doors. So, on va. For we are going or we go, it's the same in French. But we usually go to someplace. How to say to? The to of go to someplace is often a, to keep it simple. So we go to, on va à. Two as in a row. It's almost one long a, but you insist on the end, on va à, like a wave of a. In most large French cities, there's often a square, a metro station, a bus station, or a street that is called République, like Republic. And you usually want to go to that place because it's central and there are many things to do and see at République. So how would you say we're going to République? République station. On va à République. If you say that to a French, he or she will understand and tell you how to go to République. But you may want to be more accurate to check if you're not taking the wrong bus, for instance. And ask, does this bus go to République? Bus is bus because the U is U. And this is ce. The S sound written with a C is used to really point something. Ce bus. How would you say this bus goes to République? Ce bus va à République. Still the va of invaders. For it goes, she goes, he goes, it's also va. And with the right intonation, that becomes a question. Ce bus va à République? Then basically there are two different answers. Yes or no. Yes. Oui, il va à République. It goes to République. It is il. It could also be elle. But still, to keep it simple, and in our context of public transportation, it is il. Or no. Non, il va pas à République. Pas with a silent S is really the mark of the French negation. In written French, you should write il ne va pas à République. In spoken French, you drop the ne. If you're in a subway is also a metro. So this metro train is simply ce métro. Ce métro va à République. If you want to take a streetcar, which is also a tram, this tram is simply ce tram. Ce tram va à République. Now, if you are by yourself and you want to say I am going to, I is je. So you may be tempted to say je va, which tries right in older French. But now the sound a tends to turn into e with I, je. So I'm going is je vais with a silent S. I'm going to République is je vais à République. Then you want to ask in French if this subway train goes to République. And I propose you to level up your question by adding est-ce que to start your question. How would you say, excuse me, does this metro train go to République? Excusez-moi, est-ce que ce métro va à République? So this va is really important. It's also used for the singular you. You go is tu vas. with the automatic silent S that always come with the singular you, tu. You already made most of the job to conjugate to go in present tense. But we need to see one last important point. Outside public transportation. When you're walking, French people can tell you the direction to follow with 3 words. To the left, à gauche, to the right, à droite, which you should not mistake for straight on. Tout droit. Thanks to this advice, you finally came where you wanted to go. You need a break, and you just want to have a drink. And maybe your destination was a cafe or a bar or a restaurant. So here is how to order anything in French in this video, right here.